Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's video. This video is in continuity with our previous video in which we have discussed some branches of chemistry. In this video, we will discuss next branches of chemistry. In previous video, we have discussed organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical and analytical chemistry. So now in this video, we will discuss environmental chemistry, biochemistry and nuclear chemistry. Okay, let's start today's lecture. We will take start with biochemistry. As the name indicates, in this branch we discuss the bio. Bio means living things, animal and plants, their structure, their formation. And in chemistry we study chemical reactions. So in this branch we study the chemical reactions and chemical processes occurring in living things like plants and animals. If we talk about definition, biochemistry is the branch of chemistry that studies chemical processes and substances present in living organisms, such as proteins, carbohydrates, fats, enzymes. All things are present in living things, and here we discuss these things. And it is the branch of chemistry in which we understand life through chemical processes. It is the study of chemical substance and vital processes occurring in living organisms. Biochemistry provides insight into the structure and function of molecules such as proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acid. And if we talk about the scope of biochemistry, in this branch we study proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, fats, vitamins, and their structure and function, and DNA up till genetic level, enzymes and catalysts, their role and function, human cells and cell biology. All these things are studied in biochemistry. And here are more scope of biochemistry. It also deals with medical biochemistry, immunity system, biochemical techniques, genetics, study of enzymes and molecular biology, and also deal with nutrition and metabolism. All these things are studied in biochemistry. Branch that we will discuss is nuclear chemistry. As the name indicates, in this branch we will study the nucleus of atom, chemical reactions occurring in nucleus, and these processes may be nuclear fission or fusion. If we talk about definition of nuclear chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with changes in nucleus of atom, including radioactivity, reactions and use of nuclear energy and production of nuclear energy. So in this branch we also study atomic energy and molecular energy and radioactivity. So, nuclear chemistry deals with the reaction taking place in the nucleus of atom. It includes with radioactivity, nuclear processes and transformation in the nucleus of atom. Nuclear chemistry has many applications in agriculture, in medicines, industry and research. And some other scope is study of nuclear waste, radiation safety, nuclear weapons, radiation therapy, study of radioisotopes. All these things are studied in nuclear chemistry. Also with the study of power generation, its processes and cancer treatment. All these things are studied in nuclear chemistry. Branch that we will discuss is environmental chemistry. As the name indicates, in this branch we study our environment, our surrounding. It is the scientific study of the chemical and biochemical phenomena that occur in this planet. In this subject, we study the sources, reactions, effects, and fates of chemical species in the air, soil, water, and our environment. Without this, it would be impossible to study the effects that humans have on the environment through the release of chemicals. So, the definition of environmental chemistry is it is the branch of chemistry that studies the chemical substance in air, water and soil and how human activities affect the environment and cause pollution. And if we talk about its scope is study of air and water pollution, its impact on the environment and impact of human on the environment. And next, water quality analysis and check of water quality, soil contamination, industrial emissions and control and industrial waste, and the role of green environment, role of plants in our environment. All things are studied in environmental chemistry. It also deals with water pollution, toxic chemicals, environmental analysis, soil contamination, air pollution, green chemistry. So, in this branch, we study and understand the causes, effects, and solutions of different types of pollution and their remedial steps. I hope you understand three branches of chemistry. In next video, we will discuss the remaining branches. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.